Hi everyone, welcome to today's SS class. Today we are going to start first block from our SS book, that is changes in family. Let's start this block with first lesson, changes in gender role. Our aim of this lesson is to identify changes in family regarding gender roles. In earlier time, most families were joint families where the parents, grandparents, uncle and all these people living together in the same house. But nowadays, most families are nuclear family and both the parents and the children are staying together in the same house. So, family is changing with the time. Like that, the role of men and women or role of family members also change over time. In today's class, we will learn about how the role of men and women change over time. Changing role of family members in household work and decision making. There are some changes in the role of family members, especially gender role. Women's and men's role change with time. Let's discuss about what are the changes happen in the role of women and men. Okay, first of all, let's read a story. Rahul is 5 years old. His mother goes to office and his father works from home. His father is a great cook too. He makes tasty meals for Rahul. Gayatri is Rahul's friend. Her mother is a housewife. Her father is a doctor. Gayatri, let's play house. Rahul, okay, you will be mommy and I will be daddy. Gayatri, now it's time for you to go to office. I will cook lunch. Rahul, why should I go to office? You have to go to office. Father can also stay home and make lunch. Gayatri, no, mothers cook and look after the house. Rahul's father, why don't you to play something else? Rahul, okay, let's play doctor. You be a doctor. Only boys are doctors, Gayatri said to Rahul. Here, Gayatri's father is a doctor and her mother stay at home and make lunch and cook food. Why did Rahul's father cook food? Because Rahul's father stay at home or work from home and make tasty meal for them and make lunch for them. So that he thought that men can only cook food. What about Gayatri thought that? Gayatri thought only men can doctors and only women can cook food. Because Gayatri's father is a doctor and Gayatri's mother stay at home and cooked food and looked after the family. So that she thought like mothers can only do the work in home and fathers or boy can be doctor. Okay children, Rahul's and Gayatri's view on the role of men and women based on what they see in that family, on what they see their parents do. Isn't it? Okay, so let's discuss what are the changes happen in the role of family members. Let's discuss how have the job that done by men and women changed over time. In earlier time, women stayed at home and looked after the child and cooked food. But now women also go to office and going to work. In earlier time, women stayed at home and men go to work. Now women also going to work. However, with the time, their role also changed. Women also going out to work. And the role of women changing. Why do you think that role of men and women changing in the family? Why? Because people are changing their thinking about what women can do or or cannot do. Nowadays, more and more people being educated and they are going to work, going out to work. And they are financially independent. It inspired other women and they are also going out to work. Then men also ready to help them in household chores. So both men and women doing works in home, and they also women also taking important decision in the family. Both men and women taking important decision in the family. In earlier time, who took the important decision? Yes, or grandparents or parents, grandfathers or fathers take important decision. That means main members in the family to take the important decision. But nowadays, both men and women do taking the important decision in the family. So the role of men and women changed over the time. Hope you understood. Let's discuss our S1 changes in gender role. First question, read the story and answer the question below. You have to read the story. Then question 1, why does Rahul think that only fathers cook lunch? Because he sees his father cooking tasty meals. Then next question, why does Gayatri think that only boys can be doctors? Because her father is a doctor. Then second question, complete the table, given answer as father, mother or both for column 2. And grandfather or grandmother for column 3. Okay. So, if your answer is mother or father, you have to write it in column 2. If your answer is grandfather or grandmother, you have to write it in column 3. Okay. So, where to go to for holiday? Write your own answer. If it is father, you can write in first column. If it is grandfather, you have to write in second column. Write that what to cook for dinner. Most of the families who took the decision, mother. Then which television set to buy? Father. Whether to get a pet or not? Father. Okay children, hope you clear lesson 1. Changes in gender role. Thank you. Have a nice day.